If you need to request a refund from Snapchat, follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. This guide will help you understand how to navigate the refund request effectively. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner, then tap the gear icon in the top right corner to access the settings menu. Step 3. Find support. Scroll down to the support section and select I need help. This will take you to the Snapchat support page. Step 4. Submit a refund request. In the support page, search for refund or purchase issues. Follow the prompts to fill out the refund request form, providing all necessary details about your purchase. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your request, monitor your email for a response from Snapchat's support team. They will inform you about the status of your refund request. By following these steps, you can effectively request a refund from Snapchat. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the support team for assistance.